Welcome back, guys, to Meikos Shuckaluck. Hope you're all doing great today, as I am. I decided to do Oriental food again. I'm doing beef and broccoli with some rice and whatever these things are here. And then I also got some egg drop soup. I told him, I said, I ain't getting no fortune cookies last time I came in. Fortune cookies they gave me. So definitely makes me happy. I haven't named this guy here yet. So if you can think of a name, let me know. And we can name them. So what are you guys having for your meal today, for your lunch or breakfast or dinner or whatever? Let me know. Leave a comment below. I figured this was healthy with having the vegetables in here. You know. Does that broccoli look good? It is definitely good. It has the crunch to it. Here's the beef. Carrots. Some rice. If you can tell, they went ahead and put peas and carrots in my egg drop soup for me. This morning, I had a few peanuts and just some dry cereal because of my medicine I take. So, again, if you like Oriental food, what's your favorite one that you like? Leave a comment below. Let me know. I am curious. This sucker definitely is packed full of meat and broccoli like crazy, which is awesome, you know. Definitely makes me happy. So that just means it's that much more healthier for you, if you know what I mean. So what are your guys' plans for the weekend? Got anything fun planned? It is Friday. Let me know what you guys got planned. Me, I'm just going to stay around the house, I think, and try to work on a few things. I like rice, but there's a lot of rice in here. You ever notice a lot of times when you eat Oriental food, you're hungry within a few hours, it seems like? Or is that just me that thinks that way? So delicious. You know, before I started dieting, I'd have gone there and gotten this and sesame chicken and the chicken lo mein and whatever else all at once, you know. You notice how much cheaper it is when you just get one thing. Okay, guys, as you can tell, Alfie loves Oriental food too. Oh, yes, I do give him food. Excuse me. I made sure I ate all of the vegetables out of there, and I left him some meat with the rice, and he's chomping it down like crazy. So I'm still on my egg drop soup. It does take me a while to end up getting down. One that's hot, but two, I'm full right now. I'll make myself end up eating this, you know, probably within 10 minutes or so. And then I'm, you know, done for the rest of the day for eating. So, hope you liked watching. This is day 21 on trying to eat healthy and dieting and whatnot. So, please like and subscribe. Hit that bell button for notifications for you that are on YouTube. And please leave a comment. I like to hear from you guys. That's the only way you're going to be able to get entered into drawings is by liking and subscribing and leaving a comment. It's very important. So I will be doing a drawing once I get this list finished making out. And that should be done today. So come tomorrow, it'll be drawing time for something else for y'all to try to win. Thank you for watching. God bless y'all. Love y'all. Bye.